Students, we're going to start learning about calligraphy. I want to go over some of the materials that you're going to be using and how you're going to use them. This is the calligraphy pen. This part is detachable. It's called a nib, and it is a different width or thickness depending on what kind of calligraphy you're going to be doing. But we all have the same size. This is India ink. It is extremely permanent. If this gets on your clothes, it is not coming out. If it gets on your hands, it will wear off over time. It's not going to permanently stain your skin, but it is going to permanently stain your clothes. So when we open and close these, we have to be very careful. When we have them open, we have to be very careful not to bump the table. I don't use too much India ink. Too much or too little is going to be a problem. The nib is very specific. It's two pieces of metal that come together and release a little bit of ink at a time. It's similar to the way a quill pen would have worked, having a hollow center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put just the end of the nib into the India ink. If there's too much on here, I can dab it onto the tissue. And then, holding it at the 45-degree angle that I showed you, I'm going to start to write my letters. A little bit of ink. I want to keep these letters at the same angle the whole way across. I want to keep them at the same size. You will be working on a lined paper. You're going to practice with the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which, as we discussed in class, uses every letter of the alphabet.